Hello everyone, welcome to Caketastic Cakes. I'm going to show you today how to make Mr. Chicken Duck here from Minecraft. If you find this helpful, please like, please subscribe. It helps me out, blah blah. Let's go. Okay. I know Minecraft's been done to death, but this little guy is a nice addition to any type of cake or cupcake, and he's really easy, so I kind of like making him. Alright, start out with your white, roll it out. I want to say this is about ½ inch thick, if I had to guess. And I'm going to cut his body length about 3/4 of an inch long. Just make yourself a nice little rectangle. Once you get your rectangle for the body, I'm going to make a rectangle for the head. So the head is the same thickness but a little bit smaller on the inside. So when you set it on top, you can see it comes in off the sides. You know, it's not the same thickness as the body. So that's kind of the size you want to go for. Make sure you try to keep your edges sharp. When you're working with gum paste that's soft and this small of a size, it's easy. You can see that the sides, when I cut, kind of mush a little bit and they lose their sharp edges. So just do the best you can. That golden yellow there, skinny little rectangle I cut, is going to be his beak. And I think this is why he looks like a duck, personally. Because he doesn't have a pointy little beak. He's got a big fat duck bill. But anyway, now we've got a white bird with a beak. The red is going to be its little wattle, which I suppose is why it's a chicken. And we're just making the species cross together here somehow for some reason. So take your red, roll it out nice and thin, and then you're going to cut yourself a little tiny, it's a little bit more than a square, like a barely rectangle out of it. And with a little bit of water on your paintbrush, that's how everything's connected here. Place it under the beak, and I'm just using my little pokey tool there to try to get it into proper place without losing the edges on it. So that's all I did there. So now we have a beak, we have a wattle or whatever you want to call it, and a body. This is white rolled out nice and thin, pretty much as thin as you want it to be. It's going to become his wings on his sides. Again, it's just rectangles. They sit smaller than the body on all sides are smaller than the body. Just make sure you try to keep it even when you cut it so that the wings are the same size. And I didn't actually measure anything. I just kind of eyeballed it, freestyled it, whatever you want to call it, because that's just how I roll here, which you guys know already. And yeah, I just laid it against the body, used my knife to make a mark on it, and then just looked at it, tried to keep it nice and even, and trimmed a second wing. And there you go. You got 2 wings now. Nice and easy. And it's funny because I was looking at this video and I realized it's about 4 minutes long, just a little bit over. And that's how long some of my beginning videos were when I made like full, really detailed things. I was trying to do it nice and quick so nobody would get bored and just go right to the main details. I didn't realize I was just blasting through all the little details too. So yeah, I'm improving over time, guys. So anyway, we rolled out the black nice and thin, and we're going to make 2 little teeny tiny squares to make the eyes. Aw, now you can see, because our chicken has to be able to see. Okay, 1 eye and then 2 eyes. Again, there was a little bit of water that I painted onto the head before I stuck these in place. And then using the tool, use the tool, not the paintbrush. Just make sure they're lined up. Try to keep your edges again. When you're moving your stuff around, try not to lose those sharp corners. That'll make it look bad if it's not as angular as it can be when you're doing Minecraft. And pretty much, yeah, make it nice and easy, nice and slow, and you've got yourself a chicken duck. I still think it's more chicken though, but they flap in water. I don't know. Anyway, check out my lots of other Minecraft videos. I've got lots of all kinds of videos. Hopefully you liked it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.